Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a Jello Marshmallow fruit salad. It's real good. It's actually a very ancient recipe, but trust me, it is so good. Let's get started. Then you add 1 packet of Jello, any flavor you like. I'm using cherry. Now, 1 packet is 85 grams. Now we just mix this. Mix it all together. Then you get 1 cup of whipped cream. Now I also whipped it myself. I put in about 1/2 tablespoons of sugar. Add the cream. Then you just fold it through. Then you put in 1 can of crushed pineapples. These are about 560 grams, or you can put in less or more, doesn't matter. Just make sure you drain the juice out of it. You see? Put that in here. And then you add 80 grams of white marshmallow. Now you just fold all this in. Now once you mix it well, put it in the fridge for about a couple hours to chill. And then serve. And I think it's best if you wrap it up in some wrap to make sure no air gets into this. Once it's all covered up, put it in the fridge for about a couple hours to chill. And then we can serve. Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a creamy Jello fruit salad, as you can see. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. Oh, delicious, creamy, just perfect. So, thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.